I have a list that I'd like to filter, so on my Quick Access Toolbar, I'm going to click the Filter button. The column I'd like to filter is the last name column, so I'm going to hit the down triangle on last name. I would like to choose all those people whose last name begins with C, but I certainly don't want to have to tick and untick all the options listed. Sometimes instead of an exact filter, we'll use the option Text Filters. When you go to Text Filters, you have the option to filter those values that equal, do not equal, begin with, ends with, contains, does not contain. Or you can choose a custom filter. If I click Custom Filter, I can change equals to any one of the listed values. For example, if I want all those customers whose last name begins with C, I'll choose begins with. And in the next box, I'll type C. If I then click the OK button, I'm seeing those people whose last name begins with C. And if I look at my status bar, 24 out of 270 records had a last name that began with C. To clear my filter, I'll hit the Clear button on my Quick Access Toolbar.